Anthropic just filed for an IPO targeting a $1 trillion debut, and they beat OpenAI to the punch. This is the most expensive company race in human history, and it's about to decide who owns the future of AI. Here's what just happened. Anthropic quietly submitted their confidential IPO paperwork Monday, catching everyone off guard. If they hit that $1 trillion valuation, they'd instantly become one of the most valuable companies on Earth. But here's the kicker. Anthropic's founders are literally ex-OpenAI employees who left to build their own thing. Now they're about to beat their former employer to the public markets. That's some serious entrepreneurial revenge. The numbers are absolutely insane. Anthropic just raised $65 billion at a $965 billion valuation, which means they're already worth more than OpenAI's last valuation of $852 billion. But that's not even the crazy part. Their revenue run rate hit $47 billion in May, up from $30 billion in April. They're literally adding $17 billion in annual revenue every month. Last year, they were at $9 billion. This isn't growth. This is economic velocity that shouldn't exist. Why does going public first matter? Because whoever taps the US market's liquidity first gets immediate access to chips, data centers, and talent. Analysts believe the first company to market will perform better in the funding race because both companies need tens of billions more. Think about that for a second. We're talking about companies that need to spend tens of billions of dollars just to keep up. The entire AI supply chain is seeking trillions in bond funding to build the data centers powering this revolution. But there's a darker subplot here. Anthropic's CEO refused to let the Pentagon use their AI for mass surveillance or autonomous weapons. The defense secretary responded by designating Anthropic a supply chain risk, and now they're suing the government. If you're wondering what makes Anthropic different, in April, they held back their most powerful AI model because it was too good at hacking. Instead, they partnered with Amazon, Apple, and Microsoft to let them use it for finding security flaws. This IPO is set to happen right after SpaceX's $1 trillion debut, so we're about to see $3 trillion IPOs in 1 year. $1 trillion debuts typically see 30 to 80% first-day pops when sentiment is hot. The money involved is warping gravity. As one analyst put it, OpenAI and Anthropic are in a race to go public before capital runs out. But I think it's simpler than that. This isn't just business news. It's the moment AI transforms from tech curiosity to economic infrastructure happening faster than anyone expected.